The following film is
enhanced with Disney's Fast Play.
no,
Unless, of course,
you
Me?
are the meme.
This is disgusting.
My name's Reggie, by the way.
I gotta get back to playing Animal Crossing New Leaf on my Nintendo 3DS.
You don't get it! Dumb.
Our world is made of corn.
What the fuck?
We gotta stick together! Now,
Stop staring at me with them big old eyes.
We're going to help. Oh wait, TV!
It's busted.
Chuck E. Cheese's.
I think this pizza's old. I don't think you served us fresh pizza.
Our pizzas are fresh! You're trying to con us!
TF2. Do not come into my personal space. Did you not see the line? Because I was pretty clear. How did you know my name?
Will you cut that out?
He told me everything about you.
He?
Who is he? Told me everything about the great Kurt. He appeared in a bright ball of light with a guy, and then he gave me this. A time machine.
Thunder!
We're going back in time to the first mute to get off the menu. I can feel
Time for me!
I am Steve.
Steve.
I can grab.
we can all hold on.
Wow.
I have brought you a gift, and the gift is me. We did it!
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay!
Hey!
There's two of them!
Those are some angry birds.
No, that's not the ending, but trust me, you'll wish it was.
It wasn't the great turkey, it was always
The world is made of corn.